Building a second brain, a proven method to organize your digital life and unlock your creative potential. Written by Tiago Forte, summarized by AUDIOBOOKSYOULOVE. In today's fast-paced world, we are constantly bombarded with an overwhelming amount of information. Whether it's from work, family, friends, or the countless digital platforms we interact with daily, it feels like the flood of knowledge never stops. Opening your computer, phone, or even engaging in a conversation can leave you feeling swamped with data that's hard to process or organize. So, how can we manage all this information without becoming overwhelmed? That's where Building a Second Brain by productivity expert Tiago Forte comes in. As someone who has worked with major companies like Toyota, Forte offers a structured, practical approach to mastering the art of knowledge management. Instead of simply tuning out and letting this constant stream of information consume us, Forte proposes a solution. Create a personalized system for organizing, storing, and utilizing the information that matters most to you. This system, often referred to as a personal knowledge management (PKM) system, acts as your second brain, allowing you to not only manage but thrive in an age of constant information overload. The key to managing information overload. A second brain. Forte's solution isn't just about organizing your data, it's about giving your brain the tools to become more creative and productive. By establishing a system that structures the vast amount of knowledge you encounter daily, you can unleash your creative potential and focus on what truly matters. His method, called CODE, is a step-by-step guide to help you build and maintain this second brain. C. Capture, collecting knowledge effectively. The first step in the CODE framework is capture. Knowledge is everywhere, and it's available in countless forms, from books and articles to conversations and experiences. Forte emphasizes the importance of capturing information that is valuable to you, rather than allowing it to slip away or get lost in the sea of data. The key here is to actively collect knowledge that could be helpful in solving problems, sparking new ideas, or reflecting on past experiences. In our modern world, capturing information has never been easier, with tools like note-taking apps, bookmarking systems, and cloud storage. The challenge lies not in gathering information, but in filtering out the noise and focusing on what is truly beneficial to your goals. By developing a habit of capturing relevant knowledge, you begin to build a reservoir of ideas and insights that you can draw upon when needed. O. Organize, structuring knowledge for easy access. The second step in the CODE method is organize. This is where many people fail in their knowledge management journey. They may capture information, but struggle to organize it effectively, leading to chaos rather than clarity. Forte learned this through trial and error, discovering that traditional organizational methods often overcomplicated things. His solution was simplicity. Categorize everything into 4 distinct groups using the PARA system. 1. Projects. These are short-term tasks or goals, both personal and professional. These are your actionable items that need to be completed within a certain time frame. 2. Areas. These are ongoing responsibilities that require continuous management, like maintaining relationships, personal health, or work duties that aren't tied to specific projects. 3. Resources. These are subjects, tools, or interests that might be helpful in the future, but are not immediately relevant to any specific project or area. 4. Archives. This category is where you store items that are no longer relevant, such as completed projects, outdated resources, or areas of responsibility that no longer require attention. This framework allows you to declutter your digital space, making it easy to find the information you need exactly when you need it. By organizing your knowledge in a way that aligns with your current priorities, you ensure that nothing important is lost or forgotten. D. Distill. Condensing information into actionable insights. Once you've captured and organized your knowledge, the next step is distill. Distillation is the process of refining your collected information into clear, actionable insights. This involves simplifying and highlighting the most important points so that you can easily access them when needed. Forte suggests using a technique called progressive summarization, where you gradually condense your notes over time. Start by taking raw notes from books or articles, then distill them by summarizing key points in bold text or bullet points. This way, you can quickly identify the most critical information, even months after you first read it. E. Express. Turning knowledge into action. The final step in the CODE method is express. This is where you put your distilled knowledge into action, using it to generate your own creative output. Knowledge that has been captured, organized, and distilled becomes a foundation for your work, ideas, and projects. In the modern world, creativity isn't about simply copying or imitating what others have done. It's about synthesizing the knowledge you've gathered and transforming it into something unique. By expressing your ideas and projects, you create tangible outcomes that are informed by your second brain. These expressions could take the form of blog posts, presentations, work tasks, or even new creative projects. Essentially, this is the step where you put your knowledge into motion, using it to accomplish real-world goals and make meaningful contributions. The impact of building a second brain on modern life. The COD system offers a blueprint for managing the overwhelming influx of information in our digital age. By capturing, organizing, distilling, and expressing your knowledge, you can regain control over your mental resources, reduce stress, and boost your productivity. In a world where distractions are everywhere, having a personal knowledge management system ensures that you can stay focused on what truly matters. The lessons from building a second brain apply to everyone in the modern world, whether you're a student, a professional, or an entrepreneur. We all face the challenge of managing more information than we can handle. But with the right systems in place, we can transform this challenge into an opportunity for greater creativity, productivity, and personal growth. Conclusion: embrace the power of a second brain. As we continue to navigate the complexities of the modern world, it's essential to have strategies in place to manage the vast amounts of information at our disposal. Tiago Forte's Building a Second Brain provides a comprehensive framework to help you organize and use information in a way that enhances your life and work. If you're ready to take control of your knowledge and improve your productivity, I highly recommend diving into Building a Second Brain. It might feel overwhelming at first, but with a little practice, you'll quickly realize how much more organized and focused you can be. If you found this summary helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Audiobooks You Love, where I share more insights from top self-help books that can help you thrive in today's fast-paced world. Let me know in the comments if there's a book or concept you'd like to see summarized next.